Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how to make soft, fluffy pillow donuts with yummy and delicious milky filling. Let's get started. I'll start by measuring my flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. So here are all the ingredients we'll be using for our milky donut. I have here 4 cups of all-purpose flour, which gave me 532 grams of flour. I have 1 tablespoon yeast, which gave me 11 grams. I have sugar. I'm using about 5 tablespoons of sugar. You can use less or more. I'm using 1 egg, butter, 50-gram butter. This is mixed milk flavor. It's milk flavor. It's 3 tablespoons here, or 1 sachet. Is a sachet. It's sold in sachets. So I'm using 1 sachet of it. Mixed milk flavor for pastries. And here I have 1 cup of lukewarm water. Have I introduced all? Yes. So let's get started. So I'll start by adding our flour into my mixing bowl. I'll add the sugar, the yeast, the mixed milk flavor. I'll mix it first before adding the remaining ingredients. After mixing everything together to get a dough, the next step now is to knead. So I'll sprinkle some flour on my working board and place the dough. Knead it for about 25 to 30 minutes. I'll continue to knead it until it is soft and stretchy. I'm okay with the softness. So the next step now is to cut it into the sizes we're going to mold and fry. I make sure it weighed 80 grams. So I'm using 80 grams for all of them. You don't have to do this once you're sure of the size you are cutting them. If you can cut them equally like that, especially if it is placed in my floured tray. You can also place them on a baking sheet, but I'm not using baking sheet. I just sprinkled enough flour on my baking pan and placed them. 'Cover and leave it here to rest for about 60 minutes so it can proof and also rise double in size. 60 minutes later, this is what we have. So the next step now is to fry our donuts. So I'm going to heat up some oil and then we'll fry the donuts. And once the oil is hot enough, we'll start frying. I normally use the skewer to check the hotness or temperature. If it sizzles, then we are ready to fry. So I'll start putting in the donuts now. I also reduced the heat so that the donut doesn't burn without frying or cooking. About 90 seconds or 2 minutes or so, take it out from the oil. I didn't know my camera didn't capture me taking out the first batch from the oil, but we move, so we continue to fry the rest of the donuts. Our soft, fluffy pillow donut. Now let's move to our trending milky donuts. I will allow the donut to cool down a bit, then I'll pour in some powdered milk into a plate and rub all over the donuts. After rubbing the powdered milk on the number of the donuts we want to, we now go to the next step, which is filling in the donuts with a dripping milk mixture. Let's continue. For the milky mixture, I'll be using condensed milk and powdered milk. Here I have half cup of condensed milk and I'll be adding it about 3 to 4 tablespoons of powdered milk. I'll continue to mix it together until it becomes a bit thicker than it is with the condensed milk. Until it becomes thick. Keep watching. Our Milky Donuts. Very yummy, very sweet and delicious. So my lovely treasures, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to click the like button and also share it to your friends and their families.